Hello, today's day 5 of solving POTD. So today's POTD is remove subfolders from the file system. So the questions is that we are given an array of strings wherein the string is a path of like file or a folder, and same we have to return a string of array of strings. And what we have to return is, for example, the let's see the string, second string, which is slash a slash b, but its parent is already present in the string, that is slash a, so we won't be returning like slash a slash b. Same for the fourth string, its parent is present, so we will be just returning its parent and not the string. So let's say if there was something like slash c slash d slash e and then slash f or something like that, then still we won't be returning this one and also the one that I mentioned, because both were having the same parent slash c and slash d. So the first thing that came to my mind after seeing this problem was using a trie, because something like prefix was getting used here. So I thought, why not use the trie, because it's the most like most optimal way to check if there are any prefixes for multiple strings. uh, but there are some cases where it might fail, like here the first two strings are the first string is prefix of the second string, but still they are having different paths. The reason is that uh, because just the string gets ca and the string gets c, so we need to make sure that it is getting handled in the right way. So what I did was, I just inserted a slash at the end of each string to make sure that that string has ended. So the string will become slash a slash b slash c and then slash, and it won't like will be prefix of this string anymore. So this was the first thing that I did. Once I get the folder array, I just inserted slash at the end of each string, and then I call the trie. Trie is like just initiating the root. And what our trie has, a trie like what a node has, if it is the end of any string, and it has 27 children, because 27 is because all the small letters from a to z and slash. So at 0th index we are storing our slash, and then from 1 to 1 to 26 we are storing the alphabet, like alphabets from a to z. And this is a like function to get a node wherein all the children are initialized with null and is end initialized with false, and it just returns a new node. And it is a function to insert a new node, like new string, into our existing trie. So we just traverse and check if child is not null. If it's null, then we need to create a new node and we get it using get node. And if it was already present, we just traverse in that direction. And after traversing the whole array, after traversing the whole string, we just like add for that particular node, we just make that it is one of the possible ending points, and mark it it is end with true. And this is the function, main function, like which checks if there's any string starting with if there is some prefix of this string. If there is some prefix of this string, it means that this this string will not be our answer, so we will be returning false. And if there is no string with this prefix, then this could be our answer. So we started with the root and check if it's if we are not able to traverse, then it means that this string has no prefix. So it's true that we if this string is not having any prefix, then this string will be part of our answer, so I am returning true. And then we check, then we move to the next node if it's not null. And at that time I just check if like if it's ending, if this prefix is end of some if this prefix is some string, if its prefix is some string. And how we check it? If we just check if current of is end is true or not. And at the same time we need to make sure that because let's say we are traversing this string, and after being at character here it will be something like slash a slash b slash c slash. So even if we are present at this slash, the next node will be pointing to true. The next node of the slash, the next node will be pointing to its is end will be true. But this string is our answer because we are present at the end, so we won't be considering this slash if it's present at the end. Let's say we are having a string something like slash a slash b and slash. So we first traverse this string and inserted both the strings into our trie, and then started traversing. So we first came across slash a slash, then we came across this slash, and this slash is end of this string itself. But this is our possible answer. I mean this will be part of our answer because slash we have traversed the whole string, and it is not like there's no prefix which is present, and we have traversed the whole string. So this will be part of our answer. But in this string we have traversed the string, and slash is present in the prefix, and it's not present at the end of the string. So this is what I am checking here. If it's not present at the end of the string and it points to the, and it is the end of the string, if it is end of some prefix and it is slash, then we returns false from here. It means that there's some string which ends with slash and it's present in our answer, so we don't need to consider this. So I return false from here, which means we don't need to consider this string. I hope I have explained it clearly. And if we traverse the whole string and we are not able to find any prefix, then it does mean that we don't need to exclude this string, we need to include this string in our answer and we return true. So this is how I am inserting the strings into our trie, and this is our string vector of string, and from here we are just checking if the same function that we mentioned above, we just check if we should insert a string in our answer or not, and if we should, then just insert. And while inserting we need to make sure that like at the start of our function we inserted slash at the end of each string. We just need to pop it back and push the whole rest of the string in our answer, and then we just return our answer. I hope I was able to I hope I was able to explain it clearly. Thank you.